I'm gonna show you how can you communicate your message, your value through a longer forum video format or going live, so people attend your live session, engage with it, comment down below, and on your live session or in your longer format video, you can at the end promote your coaching offer or your course and tell people to click that link to schedule a call with you and continue that conversation on a kind of a sales call with you, and they enroll with you as your coaching client. Watch this demonstration right now. This video is part of our 7-day content creation challenge that you can sign up down below completely for free. You also become part of our Facebook group community where you get content creation feedback. And through the 7-day content creation challenge, you're gonna learn the weekly ideal lead generation content schedule for your online coaching practice. Make sure to sign up for it right now or at the end of this video so you can go through the complete 7 days of content creation and you can become part of our community mastermind as well. Let's get started now with today's content creation example. Today we are going to produce a longer format video, or if you want, you can go live instead on this topic. The topic for this video is what you need to do to achieve the major outcome. For example, lose weight, right? Plus, then after you teach these people in this video content piece your solutions, right, or suggestions, you can also promote your offer or your freebie or what they can do next to achieve that transformation that they desire working with you. And the format is gonna be either go live on Instagram or Facebook, or record the video and publish it on Facebook, Instagram, or your YouTube channel as well, and promote it to your email list or whatever else you can do to boost the video, right? So this is the workflow of production now. You will write a few bullet points video script on the topic that I proposed to you. And this is how you're gonna write it. You can simply use my existing script and just put your niched stuff in there, right? In this video, I share exactly what you need to do to achieve the major outcome, right? In this video, I share with you exactly what you need to do to lose weight or become a full-time online coach or become confident as a mom or anything like that, right? And then you're gonna say, really, through my few years experience of being or having this outcome, I have discovered the shortest and easiest way to achieving it. These are the 3 steps through which you achieve that, and then you will teach these 3 steps. And as a conclusion, you're gonna say, you see, it's that easy. You only need to make these 3 things to work together for you and do them consistently. I do teach these 3 steps more in depth in my private one-on-one coaching program, where I help clients achieve this certain major outcome through this specific method. Here you need to insert your solutions and your methods and the outcomes in there, right? Send me a DM or schedule a call with me in the link below if you are interested in working together, and I'll provide you with the details, ask you a few questions, and see if we are the right fit for this collaboration and working together so you can achieve the outcomes that you desire. If yes, we can get started right away. So my point is, this is gonna be like a call to action that you're gonna say in a video format or even down in the description so people can book and schedule a call with you. Now, how you're gonna do this is, after you're gonna have this few bullet point script that you wrote out or I gave you, you're gonna either go live or you're gonna record a video. If you're gonna go live, before you go live, already announce on Instagram, Facebook, or on your stories or to your email list that you're gonna go live today. So you can pull some people together on your live and you tell them what time you're gonna go live and how can they listen in, right? Then you're gonna go live, you're gonna teach this script that we just wrote, and you're gonna tell your audience to comment below and ask you questions so you drive that engagement, right? And at the end, you're gonna promote your offer and what is that they can do to take further steps working with you in the same way that the script already stated that call to action, right? If you don't wanna go live right yet or so, you can record the video, right? You can record the video on the script topics that I just shared with you. And I mean, you can tell the topic out, the script out, you're gonna edit it, you're gonna publish it on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, and then promote it on stories, right? You're gonna simply say on stories, hey, I recorded this video, watch it here, click the link below, go to YouTube, or these kind of things. Now, I will put down below a link to my YouTube video and how I recorded a YouTube video in this topic that I have just talked about, so you can skim through it and you can watch it and get an idea of what I meant by creating this content piece. Also, down below here is the script that I have followed. I have had it in front of me on my computer, and I followed this script exactly the same way that this is the template that I shared with you before, and you can even read through it right now. In this video, I shared the exact most ideal weekly content schedule that I follow, so I'm able to be consistent with my content production, right? Then I elaborated on this idea. I gave people an insight to the solution on 3 or 4 topics. I taught them a few more cool things, and I gave them the call to action. I didn't really give them the same offer coaching program, one-on-one coaching program offer that I gave to you as a template, but I instead invited them to join in to this same exact challenge, right, that we are running right now, and that they can enroll with it by clicking on the link to the challenge down below. So simply follow my similar format and execute on this content piece, record it, and make it happen for yourself. If you got any questions, comment and ask me down below this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this example of how to produce a value-driven lead generation content piece that I shared with you today. This video excerpt is part of our 7-day content creation challenge that you can attend for free, where I teach you how to follow an ideal weekly content creation lead generation schedule that's gonna attract potential clients out of your audience and generate leads and generate conversations for you as an online coach. If you would like to go through the complete 7-day content creation challenge and receive the daily content piece creation frameworks, make sure to sign up for it at 7daychallenge.primozlazar.com, and you're gonna become part of our Facebook group community as well, where you can post your content pieces and we can provide you with free feedback on your content creation. Do that right now, and I cannot wait to see you becoming productive and consistent with your content creation, and more importantly, getting feedback from your audience and getting that response that you need, so these people can book calls with you and enroll with you as your clients. Make sure to sign up for the challenge so you can learn how it all works and you can get started for free right now.